So instead of me doing a hair tutorial, as you can see, my hair is getting very nasty. So we're going to be doing one braid into a ponytail. So now that we'll get your comb. And then I comb it. My hair is very nappy. So to get the naps out easier, you'll want to get some Blue Magic grease. Coconut oil, you'll get some on your hand and put it around your head and on the edges of your hair to make your hair moisturize. So now that I did that, I would get my comb and start parting my hair for the braid and combing it out. My hair is very nappy, that's why I make those face expressions. So now that I'm combing it out, we're going to fix the part after I'm done combing this hair out. So as you guys can see that I am parting the hair. That's my part. So now that we did that, I will comb it out and put water on it and keep combing it out and part my hair into two individuals to comb it out. And you'll want to put gel and grease all over it. Comb your hair out. Then get your 24-hour edge tamer. I just dropped it. So now that I got my 24-hour edge tamer, I am going to put it on the surface of my head. So I'm getting my gel now to put on my head. And I get 2 rubber bands and a brush. So you put the jam on your hand and put it on the back of your hair to slick the ponytail and the front to slick the braid. So now that I did that, I am combing my hair out. So you'll want to pull some edges out of your hair to do swoops on your edges. That would look very good with the ponytail. So I am combing my hair out with the bigger comb. As you guys can see, I have long hair, so yeah. So I am putting all of the gel and brushing my hair. So you'll get your 24-hour edge tamer again to put on your hair.
A few moments later.
As you guys can see, I'm just going to keep putting my gel on until it be enough. Okay, so now that you see I did that, so I did put the 24-hour edge timer all around my hair. So now we're going to get your edge brush to do your edges. As you can see, I am doing my edges at this point. Now I am doing the braid. I'm doing the braid and then I put the gel on the other part of my hair to slick it back to do the ponytail. Now that I did the ponytail, I did my edges on the other side. And this is how it came out. So, like I said, I have a braid into a ponytail. My hair is very long, so my ponytail is hanging. You don't want to brush the back. And now that you did that, I braid it so that's my hair. So as you guys can see that I'm braiding my hair. Get your blue magic, put it on the end of your hair. I twisted at the end so it wouldn't come loose. And after that, I put it in the bun in the back. That's how it came out. Bye, guys.